In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list on Gumroad. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional system to engage with your audience through email marketing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Gumroad account. Once you're all set, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll have access to all the tools Gumroad offers to help manage and engage with your audience. With your workspace set, the next step is to navigate over to the workflow section. This essential area is where you'll set up email automation sequences, allowing you to streamline your engagement with subscribers seamlessly. Once you're in the workflow section, look for the option to create a new workflow. Click on it to begin crafting your new sequence tailored to engaging with your audience. You'll be prompted to give your workflow a name. It's important to choose something descriptive that will help you easily identify its purpose later on, especially as your list of workflows grows. After naming your workflow, the next logical move is selecting the new subscriber option. Since we are focusing on setting up a sequence that will effectively welcome new email subscribers, this choice is crucial. Let's not forget to save our progress. This can easily be done by clicking on the Save and Continue button, ensuring that all your input so far is securely saved and ready for the next step in your setup journey. Now, it's time to move on to creating the actual email that your new subscribers will receive. Navigate back to the Workflow menu and click on the Create Email button. Start by entering an engaging subject line for your email, something catchy that will grab the attention of your readers right away. Next, adjust the timing for when this email should be sent to your new subscribers. Gumroad offers various options here, but for this example, let's go with 0 hours after they subscribe. This setting ensures they'll receive the email immediately, capturing their interest right when it's at its peak. With the timing in place, it's crucial to focus on the content of your email. Carefully craft a welcoming message that reflects the personality of your brand and clearly communicates the value you're offering them. You can further enrich this email by attaching relevant files, perhaps a free digital download or extra content you've promised to your new subscribers. Simply click on Attach Files to do this. To the right of the screen, there's a preview pane showing exactly how your email will look to recipients. This is your perfect chance to make those final tweaks, ensuring everything appears polished and just as you imagined. Once you've reviewed and are content with all elements of your email, click Save Changes. And there you have it. Your email automation workflow on Gumroad is now successfully set up. With this powerful tool at your disposal, whether you're welcoming new subscribers or exploring other engagement strategies, you're equipped to elevate your digital marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.